The Xiaomi Redmi 15C 5G comes with 6.9 inches HD plus IPS LCD display and 120Hz refresh rate. Rear camera's 50 megapixel wide-angle camera and auxiliary lens camera with 1080p video, 8 megapixel selfie with 1080p video, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 6nm chipset. It runs on Android 15, based on HyperOS 2, comes with 4GB, 6GB, 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, support microSD card, backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 33-watt fast charging, measures 7.99mm thickness, and 211 grams weight, and colors dusk purple, moonlight blue, and midnight black. Other features includes side-mounted fingerprint sensor, dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, USB, Type-C charging, 3.5mm jack, and IP64 rating. Pricing starts at 12,499 Indian rupees for the 4GB plus 128GB model.